Buster, you love me more than you love Xavier? Or you love Xavier more than you love me? What do you do? If I touch Xavier, what you gonna do? Huh? Huh? I won't touch Xavier. I can't touch him? I can't touch Xavier? Let me hold Xavier's hand then. Let me hold Xavier's hand. Can I hold Xavier's hand? Huh? Can I hold his hand? Huh? No? Let me hold Xavier's hand. I can't hold his hand? Huh? No? Why not? Let me hold. That's my son. Get off me. Can I hold his hand? Hmm? Come on, Xavier. Come on, Xavier. Come on. Come on, Xavier. Come on, Xavier.
Oh, man. I feel like you're pulling.
Come on, Xavier. I can't do it. I can't. Huh? Boy, you sure love Xavier. You don't love me, huh? You don't love mommy? Buster, you don't love mommy, huh? Fine, then.